Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add a custom domain name to Blogger. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First things first, what you're going to do is you have to create an account on Blogger. If you don't have an account yet, then you have to create one using your email or your Google account. And then here you need to create first your first blog in order for you to go to settings. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create my first blog and I'm going to title it with my point of view. This serves as my URL blog. You will see if this blog site is available or not. You can't proceed if this one is unavailable. So once you have created your URL blog right here, what you're going to do next is you have to look for the settings. So this is a very easy tutorial. Once you have your blog right here, just go to the left side, scroll down. And then here, you just have to look for settings. So tap on settings here. And in the settings option, you have to scroll down again. And then you have to look for a domain. So if you have your domain, all you have to do is to paste your domain right here. If you don't have one, then you can go and look for a domain on Namecheap. But actually, there are tons of sites where you can purchase a domain. So all you have to do is to purchase one. If you don't want Namecheap, then you can look for other sites. You can just go to any web browser and then look for domain. You will see domain prices, free domain, if there is, but mostly it's not for free. So once you have purchased the domain, all you have to do is to copy that one, go back to Blogger, and then paste your domain right here. So that's how easy it is to add a domain or custom domain name to Blogger. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.